Hey everybody, I'm back with another quick and dusty tip for today. I'm going to show you how to get more precision out of your super glue. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to take a lighter, we're going to heat up the tip of this super glue until it gets glossy, which means that the plastic is mobile. Don't heat it up too much. We're going to grab it with their needle nose pliers. We're going to pull it out nice and gentle like. And you'll see the plastic get white again and start to re-solidify. We're going to hold it there for just a second until the plastic is totally solid. Then we'll cut off this end. So now, as you can see, there's a little tiny hole at the end of that. Open up our glue real quick. And now, I'll be able to get the tiniest little drop of super glue wherever I need it. So I like these clear containers because you can see that the glue is coming to the tip. I can actually even hold it there if I can keep my hand steady enough. And you can see the tiny little bit that comes out. And it's not too hard to get a tiny little drop exactly where you need it every time. This will work on pretty much every super glue bottle. They're all pretty much made out of the same material. So that's a little hack to show you how to get the most out of your super glue when you got to get into a small space. You can also make these as long as you want. It just takes a little practice. You can cut it off here if you wanted to, if you've got to get into a tight spot. So very handy little trick to have. Hope that helps you guys out. And until the next one, you guys have a good one.